Oh my goodness, who are you?
I'm Jelani.
And?
Jeanette.
What are we doing today, ladies?
Skydive.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You trust me to throw you out?
Not you.
You trust Cole to throw you out?
Yes.
You're stuck with me and you're stuck with Cole, so that's your only option. Last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this.
Faith over fear.
What about you?
In the name of Jesus.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun, ladies. High five. High five. Let's go have some fun. Here we go.
Do it.
How you doing? Oh, yeah. Here we go, ladies. You ready for this? Let's get in, let's get up, let's get out of this bird, go have some fun in the sky. Yeah. High five. High five. Here we go. Yeah.
Hey!
Is that cool?
I was scared, but I did it.
Pull this one down.
Okay.
Camera. Hands up. Good. Pull the left one hard. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hands up. Relax. How you feeling?
It feels good.
You know what Nice skydive. You want to go again?
No.
You want to spin again?
Yeah.
Pull the right one down. Look at the camera. Hands up. Good. Relax. Hands all the way up. Both hands all the way up. Good. Yeah. All right, we made it back to the ground. What do you think?
I had so much fun.
You had a blast or what?
Yes. It was definitely
You did great.
experience. Thank you.
Come back to see me again.
Yes, Colorado.
Got a Colorado Springs.
From Cali.
Stay right here. Stay right here.